Alrighty, everybody, we got another new video. We're going to open up a hanger box of 2021 Panini Chronicles basketball draft picks. And these guys are all in their college uniforms. People prefer the Pro Uni. There it is. Let's see what we can get. We got Jalen Johnson. Rookie card to lead us off on the front. It looks like the meat of the pack is going to be in the middle. Let's see if we can get anything decent. Cam Thomas, rookie. Every card is upside down, it looks like. Franz Wagner. Springer. Josh Christopherson. Butler. Kai Jones. And then we get a silver right there of AU Dosunmu, or something like that, however you say it. Jalen Johnson, Trey Mann, rookie. Corey Kispert, Cam Thomas. I don't think any of these are colored or numbered. Scotty Barnes, Franz Wagner, and Jaden Springer. And that is going to do it. Thank you for watching.